Hi guys, I'm so happy to be here talking to you guys. You may not have noticed, but I had a video up for about 24 hours on my channel talking to you guys about where I've been, but I had to take it down. It was just like so bad, I couldn't stand it myself. The audio was horrible, but I promise I will refilm that video and update you guys on my life pretty soon. Today, I'm partnering with FabFitFun for the fall box. Guys, let's be real, this is my very first subscription box I ever try because I pay my bills every month, you know what I mean? I got my money going out different places every month, and I don't feel like paying for sample sizes of things. Like, honestly, I don't. But I do think that FabFitFun is a good alternative because it only comes 4 times a year, every season. We work hard all year round. I think we deserve to treat ourselves at least 4 times a year. The boxes always have a value of over $200, but you only pay $49.99. If you guys do want to try out FabFitFun, I have a coupon code for you guys. It's NERE10, N-E-R-E 10, for $10 off your first box. I'm opening up this box on the very first day of fall, which means there's already a ton of videos out there about these boxes, and I did not watch any of them. It took every ounce of me to not peek inside and not look at any of those videos. I wanted you guys to see my genuine reaction to everything I get in the box and share this moment with you guys. Without further ado, let's open up this baby and see what's inside. For this season, FabFitFun partnered with City of Hope, so they're giving back to City of Hope. Every season they partner up with a different nonprofit organization or something similar and give back to the community, which I think is a great thing that they're doing. So the very first thing I see in this box is the little magazine that comes in the box. It has information about all the products inside. According to the magazine, they already have a description of the products that you're going to receive as well as their retail price. But just in case, because I'm a little skeptical, I have my phone on hand because I want to look at these products and total up the value of everything I got and share my thoughts. So the very first thing I see here, guys, it's very bright, so I can't miss it. It's this Amica bag. It's like this coral orange bag. It's a flat iron. That is so cool because I kind of needed one really badly. Mine is so old. Well, I've seen this brand going around in Instagram recently, but before that I've never heard of them. So I'm going to look it up and see how much it's worth on my phone. So according to different websites, it's worth about $75 to $80. I see, unless you buy it used on Poshmark, and then they're going around $65. But according to the magazine, it is worth $80, and I like it. I like that it has this rounded edge because I think it'll be cool to try out curling or waving my hair with it. I think it's a cute color. I'm really excited because it's the very first thing I open. I'm going to plug it in to try it out for you guys. So I have the flat iron warming up right now. And the next thing I'm going to open up is this juice cleanse. They are exfoliating sugar cubes. So, like little exfoliating cubes. These smell so good. And they're green, so I'm thinking watermelon. They smell so good, guys. It doesn't look like a lot, but I'm assuming that the little cubes last you quite a while. It's not just like a one-use thing, I hope. They feel so soft. They remind me of like a gummy candy. Oh my gosh. They smell amazing. It smells like a cucumber sweet candy. But it smells really good. So according to the Harper and Ari website, this little thing is worth $24, but on the magazine it says $16. So either way, I think it's a pretty good deal. I like and I appreciate that the magazine isn't overpricing the things because they just want you to believe that you're really like getting a really good deal. So in this case, this one was underpriced under the magazine. I don't know what that's attributed to, but that's pretty cool. I love the way this smells. I am definitely going to use it for this upcoming fall with my dry ass skin. I'm excited. Okay, so my flat iron is already warm, and like I said, it does have this like kind of a round edge, so I want to see if I can curl my hair with it. I'm going to use my viewfinder as my mirror, so don't judge. I'm really bad at this anyway. Ooh. I'm feeling myself. I like this. Yeah, I'm going to be using this thing all fall long. I love it. I'm going to let those curls loosen up throughout this video. Moving on, I have this little Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. Not sure what this is. Something about vitamin C. It's like a powder. Nothing brought into skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% absorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer, and the value is $54. Okay, so it is a powder that you add to your night serum or moisturizer just to add that extra added enriched vitamin C. Look at that. Can you see that? Oops. So it's just a little powder. It's dissolving right into my skin and just completely dissolves and vanishes. I can't see it at all. So I think it's pretty cool. I've never heard of anything like this. So they have these in different beauty stores. It's exactly $54. So we can agree on that. Oh, I found one that's $32.40. But this is via a website called the Skin Store, so I'm assuming it doesn't include shipping. So it's on sale for $32.40 and it doesn't include shipping. So I'm assuming that its regular price is probably higher, plus you include shipping. It probably comes out to around the same amount. So $54 for this. I don't know how I'm going to feel about this or if I'm going to see any difference in my skin, but just knowing that I'm adding something that's good for my skin into my moisturizer can't hurt, right? And I really like that it's like easy to use. So if I remember to use it, I'll make use of this. Moving on, I have this, which smells divine. When I opened this box, I think it was a combination of these crystals, this little like juice watermelon cleanse, and this, because this smells amazing. Body Souffle. It's vegan, cruelty-free, natural, and it's by the brand Humankind. I'm a little bit sick right now, but I think it smells like nectarine or apricot. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. It actually wasn't too thick. It's a cream, but it's more like, that I would say has more of a lotion consistency. It's not too thick. We all know we need that extra moisture in the fall. This is $18 according to the magazine, and let me just look it up real quick. $20 on Amazon. So around the same price. I'm starting to really take their word for it because everything has matched up so far. The next thing is this Aveda Damage Remedy Hair Repair. It says it protects from heat styling. If I had seen this before I curled my hair, I would have used it on my hair, but let's see. It doesn't smell so great, to be honest. I mean, it's not a bad smell, but it doesn't smell good by any means. It comes with macadamia oil, soy, quinoa protein, all good ingredients for your hair, except it's not sulfate free. So because of that, I'll give it to my mom, but $31, $40, $32, $24. Okay, so this is like the prices that I see online. And on here it says it's $30, so around the same price. The next couple of items, guys, I'm so freaking happy for, because slowly but surely I'm trying to accumulate things for an apartment in the future. Me and Brian are trying to look for a place of our own, and so, you know, it gets pricey. It makes me so happy that FabFitFun includes like home items as well, fitness. It's not just makeup and skincare, you know, it's cool things for your home. This is something that I don't think I would have gone out and purchased on my own, but now that it's here, I mean, who does not need a pepper grinder at home? I never even thought of this, but look how aesthetically beautiful this thing is. It's double-sided, so like the little box has like Himalayan salt and pepper down here. How cool is that? I think it's so chic and cute for the counter. It's just cute. I really like it. This says it's $21.95, so it looks very durable and pretty. So yeah, really happy with this. Also, something so aesthetically beautiful. It's this Twine Gourmet Wooden Ceramic Cheese Board gift set. So it's a little cheese board and a little ceramic. How adorable is that, guys? That is beautiful, and I'm so excited to have this in my kitchen once we move out. Oh my goodness, how cute this is. This is just something I wouldn't think of buying on my own, but I already feel like a bougie housewife just owning it. I mean, wow, how cute. I'm looking it up online, and I don't see the exact same board, but I see similar ones on Nordstrom and things like that. They're ranging from $24.99 to $41, $39. So They're similar in size, and they also have the little marble and wood thing going on. So yeah, I mean, I think the price is pretty reasonable. I think this is one of those items that if you don't want to keep, it's also a good gift. If I want to give this to a friend, I think it's a beautiful little gift. So how cute is that? I really appreciate it, and that's going to go into my kitchen collection for my future apartment. The birds are fine, right? They're fine. I can't really make them shut up. Okay, and the very last thing in my box is this aromatherapy deep relax roller ball. If it's supposed to relax me, I think I'll have it in my backpack for my exam days. You never know, it might help with anxiety and stress that comes with an exam, but maybe it also helps with sleeping, who knows. Zen out wherever you are with a relaxing blend of vetiver, chamomile, and sandalwood. Sandalwood, that's what I was smelling, sandalwood, that's exactly what it is, guys. It's kind of like a masculine but very like chill smell. It says it's 29 bucks. They're all valued at 29 bucks, so that's right on the dot. Like 29 bucks is what this thing is worth. This is one of those things that I wouldn't really think of buying myself either, but now that I have it, it's pretty nice. It could also be a cute gift or a little stocking stuffer or something. I think it's adorable. I like it. Self-care. We're all about it, right? I rounded up the grand total of everything that I got, and this is the total, $278 with 95 cents. That is pretty amazing, guys. This box is normally $49.95, and again, if you guys do want to use my code, you'll get $10 off, which is only about 40 bucks for a box over a $200 value. So if you guys do want to try it out, again, Neti10. You can also go to the website directly and customize your box. It only comes 4 times a year. My overall thoughts, I'm really happy with my box. I do plan on getting the spring box, and maybe next time I'll customize it just to get a little more things for my home and things like that. But I was very pleased with everything I got. I will be refilming my update video for you guys very soon, so stay tuned for that in my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.